Geography facts about the Pacific Ocean. Hey guys, Valencia is here with another videos. The Pacific Ocean is one of the world's 5 oceans. The ocean got its name from Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1520. Magellan experienced favorable winds upon reaching the ocean, naming it Mar Pacifico, which means peaceful sea in Portuguese. Learn some geography facts about the Pacific Ocean. World's largest ocean. With an area of 165,250,000 square kilometers, the Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean makes up about 28% of Earth's surface area and represents 46% of water surface area. The area of Pacific Ocean is larger than the total area of all the world land masses. Half of the world's free water. The Pacific Ocean is by far the world's largest ocean basin. It contains half of the world's free water. The Pacific Ocean has nearly twice the amount of water as the Atlantic Ocean, the world's second largest body of water. World's deepest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is also the world's deepest ocean. The average depth of the Pacific Ocean is 4,000 meters or 13,000 feet. Among these trenches in the Mariana Trench were Challenger Deep, the deepest point in the world with a depth of 10,984 meters. The Mariana Trench Marine National Monument was established in January 2009 through the presidential proclamation under the authority of the Antiquities Act of 1906. The Pacific Ocean is shrinking. As a result of plate tectonics, the Pacific Ocean is shrinking by roughly 0.5 kilometers per year for the last 180 million years as the plates move towards one another. White Shark Cave. The Pacific Ocean is also home to the White Shark Cave, a distant location off coast of Baja California that scientists are still trying to figure out why these sharks hang out there. Gyres and plastic pollution. Gyres, large circular currents in the ocean, have helped to make the Pacific Ocean the most polluted ocean in the world. The North Pacific Gyre is home to Great Pacific Garbage Patch, an enormous accumulation of marine debris and trash that circulates in 2 distinctive zones. So that's our geography facts about the Pacific Ocean videos. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestion for the future video, or question you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Valencia family. We've got a lot of more video coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I will see you in the next video.